Hello, everyone. So I see many familiar faces here, right? So let's start with Dash evolution. What I'm going to talk about today is like the infrastructure and the technology behind Dash, and then I'm going to finish with the Dash Thailand communities. Okay, let's go. Do I have the clicker, please? Where is the clicker? It's here. Okay, let's learn how to use it. Oops, sorry. Okay, so you guys already know what is Dash, right? Who don't know Dash? Can you raise your hands, or anyone know? You don't know it. I know you know it. Get your hands down. So basically, people think Dash is like a digital payment right now, right? But let's see how Dash evolve. Okay, we show you how Dash evolve. Okay, before we go to the evolve, we need to understand the infrastructure here. So Dash basically built on the robust the architecture of Bitcoin and also Cosmos. That's why it makes Dash reliable, decentralized, and fast. Okay, it means that there's another word here like a zero centralization. Okay, that means there is no ICO, there is no VC, there is no insider. Totally 100% decentralized here. Okay, and then okay, let's go further. I already talked about this already. Oh, it's gone. Just make for a few minutes. Okay, I love to walk around. So let's go for the governance. Like Dasha said before, okay, Dash have a self-funding treasury. So the masternode will be the one who do the work for the proposal, okay, to keep the network and ecosystem system growth here, okay. Okay, and about the technology, guys. So there is 4 key technologies here. One we call the LLMQ. Okay, you can read the long name that is over there already. This is about the operation of the network. And then the instruction, this is like a kind of a send and receive thing, okay, when you do transaction and things, okay, very fast by the way. And chain lock, this one is really important. This one is like the security of the system. And proof of service. This one is like the node operation here. Okay, so there is 4 technology behind this network. And then let's talk about the masternode. Who are the masternode here? Do we have any masternode here? No? Okay, it's okay. So the masternode is the one that who doing the vote, right? But now there is another thing. We call the evolution nodes. So the masternode is require like 1,000 dash. Evolution require 4,000 dash, right? So you get the power of the vote. Let's see the comparison here. So that's a comparison about the masternode and the evolution node here. Okay, if you want to be node provider, you can just go to the dash.org and then get more information about that. And then you see what you're doing. If you do only, if you are the masternode, right? It means you doing the Dash call payment, the call only, okay? The call is about the payment, all right? And then the platform is for the builder, okay? So there's gonna be a lot of the application coming, might be soon, I hope, okay? So the reward is not the same. So you get the reward from the call only if you're the masternode. And if you be the evolution node, you get the call and the platform, okay? That's how Dash gonna grow, okay? Not just a payment solution or you call payment digital or any payment, what you want to call, right? It depends on the marketing words. And you got 4 words, okay? You can go read the proposal by proposal. If you like it, you vote for it. If you don't like it, you just say no, that's it. Okay, so next, let's see what is Dash platform by the technical view. I will need the videos for the next slide, please. เดี๋ยวขอวิดีโอ next slide ครับ So we're gonna watch the videos and you will understand.
Evolution is a first of its kind decentralized
มีเสียง
application
ไหมครับ
platform that lets you build apps on fast, easy, and reliable access to decentralized data. More specifically, Evolution is a platform for executing data contracts. These write data to indexed and queryable decentralized storage. A decentralized API allows anyone to access that data on demand. It's ideal for any app where you want to store data in a decentralized way and quickly search and access exactly the piece of data that you need. These include accounting software, merchant maps, social media, anything where you need to store data in a decentralized, censorship-resistant way, and where you could easily call up exactly the data that you need, exactly when you need it.
Okay, now let's jump to the final page. So that is Dash Thailand, right, led by us, okay? So what we focus here? We focus about the communities. We gonna build the community as we already did, right? So some people join our events, we're gonna have more meetup, right? You are meetup, I know, you always show up. Okay, when you come to our meetups, right, we're gonna be like family and friends here, okay? We're not gonna have like a who gonna be leader, who gonna be whatever. We just talk like friends, okay? If you have anything, you have questions, you can ask me, but ask my colleague and our intern. We have intern in the Dash community Thailand here. And next, what we're gonna do? We focus on education. So after the school, the university is open right now. It's summer for Thai university. So after the university is running again, we're gonna go to do some workshop for the student, like the fundamental and the technical stuff, like the coding things. And about the innovation, that we talk about the application in the future, right? But before you're gonna do the application, right, you need to have the deck first, right? So if you have the deck or you have some project, right, you can talk with me, right? Okay, is this good enough? It is fine. I'm open for any project, okay? We can talk, right, as a family here. Okay, and then I think it's time for the next speaker now. So thank you very much. And then the last thing, our community, Dash community, we call Dash people a Dasher, okay? Thank you so much.